I wake up early. I turn off the alarm. I sit on the bed. I open the curtains. It is a beautiful morning. I make my bed. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I dry my face. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I put on my jacket. I go to the kitchen. I drink some water. I make some coffee. I make some toast. I cook some eggs. I make a smoothie. I eat breakfast. I wash the dishes. I check my phone. I write my plans. I check my schedule. I pack my bag. I water the plants. I do some exercise. I put on my shoes. I am ready to go. I start my day.